What was the spookiest story you'd heard? It's the year 2034. A man saw an advertisement about a free voyage to the new planet Mars colony by an ex-space station. He quickly signed up online and is under review. Days later, he was notified with an SMS that he'd been successfully enlisted in the voyage to the new colony on Mars.
Finally, I'm enlisted!
He was asked to come over on the 1st of March, 2034. The date came in, and he drove hours to the ex-space station. It's a large space station with huge towering spaceships all pointed up, ready for launch. As he emerged, he was prompted to fill out all necessary life insurance forms. He was advised to wear a unique spacesuit attached to a portable oxygen tank. After hours of queue, he finally made it into 1X spaceship with other crew members. Launched, and off it ascended. Days of voyaging and exhausted, he finally heard the space captain say,
"Station on Mars. Fastening your seatbelts, we're about to touch down. Welcome to Mars."
A few moments later, he slowly disembarked from the ship. The first thing he noticed was his oxygen tank level dropped to 20%. He looked in the far distance and saw the people who were already there a year ago in a long queue wearing suits and carrying zero-level oxygen tanks, each eager to purchase oxygen. The queue was guided by a space colonial force with heavy firearms. He looked left and saw a huge screen advertisement billboard attached to a futuristic skyscraper with a message, "Don't even try to think of going back to Earth."
I wish it's a dream. I wish never come to Mars. Earth was better.
He looked beside the message, which reads, "Work for oxygen level up. Work extra for food, water, and shelter."
Can I get out of Mars?
You can't be out alive.
The only way to get out of here is hijacking a spaceship. But I can't get in undetected.
Now he's grieving. He walked to the last person in the queue and saw an elderly, thin Russian man who could take it no more and, suddenly, collapsed even before he could explain what's going on. The space colonial force had come suddenly and taken the dead old Russian man's body away for dissection.
Through finally. I should stay undetected.
Then he realized the Earth was better.
Leaving my family is a regret I will carry forever.